now. Okay, so if you're shopping for a home in Miami-Dade County, you may be interested in knowing what your potential estimated taxes are going to be on the property. So the best place to do that is to use the resource provided through miamidade.gov, and you can see the link here, which we will provide in the comments after we record. But if you're lost and you can't remember, all you have to do is go to and search in your search bar, for example, Miami-Dade tax estimator. Okay, and you'll see property tax estimator here. You're going to click on that, and then it's going to tell you a disclaimer, blah blah blah. You'll say yes, I've read it, and you'll proceed to the estimator workshop. All right, so here we are. So you're going to put in, for example, enter the folio number or the location. So we're going to say it's Homestead. It's either the folio number, you know, if I would use an actual folio number if you had it, but we're going to say the sales price or the market value of the property is going to be $500,000, right? Okay. And then we're going to go through that's step one is the price, the purchase price or market value. Step two is the folio number to be specific, which you can find on miamidade.gov on the property appraiser's website. You can go here if you want to do that, or you can just pick, you know, what municipality the property is in. We're going to go with Homestead, or we'll just say, in a lot of cases, it's going to be unincorporated Miami-Dade. I don't know if it has that there. Kind of doesn't. So we'll just stick with Homestead today. And then they're going to say, are you moving or transferring homestead exemption? So if this is your first house and you don't own property in Miami-Dade County, you're going to say, no, I'm not doing portability. Okay. Will you have homestead exemption on this home? Let's pretend today that yes, this is going to be my primary residence, and I'm going to click yes. Okay. So don't already own a home. That's the answer to this question. Homestead exemption, yes, I'm going to apply. And now I'm going to hit estimate my property taxes. Okay. So it pretty much tells you right here, and this is assuming that you do not have a community development district, that's a CDD. It basically what they're telling you at $500,000, you're looking at about a $10,000 tax bill. Okay. And it goes through other disclosures and considerations here. There are other ways to get homestead exemption. This is where they're talking about save our homes. There's other tax savings that you can qualify for depending on your age, or if you're a disabled veteran, or all different things. So this is just one way to get an idea. And if you had portability, you know, what this would potentially look like. So we'll go in here one more time, back to the tax estimator worksheet. We'll try something a little bit different. We'll do, let's try 680. And we'll say, we'll do, it's, I don't know what that means. That could be unincorporated Miami-Dade, I don't know. And let's say, yes, we are doing portability. Okay, if you're transferring portability, please enter the folio number. If you don't know it, you have to put it in here, okay? So you would have to put your current folio number, and you can do that by clicking property search. Okay, I'm going to put an address in here. See what happens. Okay, we're just going to pick up this property right here. We're going to enter this folio number. Pretty easy. I'm going back. I'm going to plug it in. Okay, just as an example, and we're going to estimate our taxes now. So this is where the portability comes in, transfer of homestead assessment difference. Okay, and these are your estimated taxes. Again, assuming that you do not have a community development district, which is a CDD. We'll get into that another time and maybe post that link on this post later on so you can get to it. But here you go. That gives you an idea of what your proposed taxes are going to be in the future when you're purchasing a new property with portability or without portability from a previous residence. Hope that was helpful.